Hi, I'm Grandma, and welcome to Grandma Showed Me How. This is going to be a new series of videos that I'm going to be putting out, and it's basically a how-to series for anybody who needs to learn some life skills. It will be based on your input, so whatever questions that you ask, it's like I said, with this intro video, if you want to put your questions down below of something that you would like to learn, please feel free to do so. It's going to be a judgment-free zone. Please keep the comments clean. Don't make fun of anybody who posts in there, because that is not the point of this channel. And if somebody gets on there and starts harassing someone else or being hateful to them, you will be removed and blocked, and your comment will be deleted. I do not want this to be a hateful thing. I want this to help someone who needs some assistance. I'm here to help. If there's something that you ask that I'm not comfortable with, or something that I haven't personally done myself, there's a couple other YouTubers or some other people that I might seek out to try to show you how to do these things. It's like I said, judgment-free zone. It's here for your learning. It's here to help you. And it's like I said, just put your ideas, comments, suggestions below. And welcome to Grandma Showed Me How.